Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 drip irrigation system that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Drip Tape Irrigation Kit for small farms. This is an irrigation system in which convenience, durability, dependability and quality have all been achieved. It is designed for small farms, which are up to 15 rows. Drip Tape Irrigation Kit for small farms is ergonomic. It comes with step-by-step instructions easy to understand. This allows you to set it up quickly. Where expansion is needed, everything about it is included in the manual. More information about it is also available online. The user-friendly design is very economical, featuring a water-saving construction. The irrigation drip allows you to make sure that water only flows where it is required. Evaporation is also minimized as water drips near the roots of the plants. The system is, therefore, ideal even in areas where there is a water shortage. For this reason, the maintenance cost is meager. Moving on at number 4, we have Bosmere L451 Automatic Watering Irrigation System. Bosmere introduces the L451 Automatic Irrigation System. Alongside, it helps to get rid of over and under watering problem. The kit can work on more than 12 to 24 pots and hanging baskets. It requires 3 rechargeable AA batteries to keep going on. Yet, you can drip the water nozzle more than 5 meters above from water tank. Beyond eco-efficiency, it reduces 90% of water usage and therefore water bills. You can connect the solar-powered system with the irrigation anti-siphon device. What's more attractive about this kit is this is a wireless greenhouse irrigation system. It operates the equipment with solar power. It is a perfect choice for indoors, watering plants, wide or medium gardens, allotments, outdoor patios, and greenhouse soil. At number 3, we have MIXC 1/4 inch mist irrigation system. If you are looking for the best automatic water system for a greenhouse, you should check out the MIXV mist irrigation kit. The noteworthy part of this irrigation system is that you will get several accessories with the water hose. According to reviews, most of the customers are happy with this kit. Nonetheless, the kit comes up with 39 pieces of barbed fitting and support stakes. Apart from the quick adapter, it includes different shapes of nozzles to spread a fixed amount of water on the plants. For the mister flow rate, it offers 6.7 to 7 liters per hour. Furthermore, the watering system provides a 0.3 meter spray diameter and adjustable nozzles with 2 modes. You can use irrigation water management for lawns, swimming pool misting systems, patios, and greenhouses. At number 2, we have Flanter Garden Irrigation System. You might find Flanter Garden Irrigation Kit your best choice if you have a limited budget. In spite of its affordable price, the kit comes with great features. You can use this system in several places, right from watering your patio, greenhouse, lawn, and flower bed in the backyard. You can also use it on hanging gardens efficiently. The automatic drip irrigation system will keep your plants watered even when you are away. Just a few minutes, and you will fully set up your system without much hassle. This means you will save your time as well as energy. You can also save your water, especially if you garden in an area where the resource is scarce water. Thanks to the high-quality materials and making that minimizes water loss. And finally at number 1, FixGet Drip Irrigation Kit. On our 5th recommendation, we come up with a FixGet Drip Kit. Why do we pick this for you? Because it comes up with all dripping accessories that help irrigate your greenhouse. After installing this automatic mechanism drip irrigation kit on your greenhouse, you can save around 70% to 80% of water. With 2 water outlet control modes, you can adjust the process and you won't be needing too much water. The inundation system has a proper Y value and 4 irrigation tubes for sprinkling water into the soil. It is necessary to dig or make plumbing holes to install the watering kit. Beyond that, you can use it for balcony cooling, balancing excessive moisture, and mist cooling on the patio, lawn, backyards, and greenhouses. You will get PE tubing, hose splitter, several connectors, nylon tapes, Teflon tape, nozzles, drippers, support stakes, and a user manual. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.